Hey guys, oh my gosh, I am just getting ready. We went shopping. My retreat is tomorrow night. It's starting tomorrow. We've got all the bags packed. We've got lots of surprises for everybody. I'm so excited. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video to say hi. Take you behind the scenes of what's happening. My manager came today with her husband. It's just been so amazing to meet her because we've been working together for so long and I have never met her, so it's just been incredible. And my sister's here to help out. By the way, how are you liking my new hair? I think I haven't actually appeared on YouTube in a while with my vlog, so now you can see my new hair. I like it. It's definitely a new style for me, and I decided to do something new. So yeah, I'm getting ready for the Mexican retreat. Everything's booked, everyone's organized. Gosh, like it's been a challenging journey to organize this retreat, but I am so excited. There's just so many things. I don't know how it's all gonna go. I'm a bit nervous, but I think it's gonna be good. Like, we have so many surprises and things planned, and yeah, everything is kind of just gonna be amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you updated. I might do another vlog and show you next week when the retreat is finished. If you're in my social media, make sure you check me out there, follow my stories. I'll be posting some fun stuff. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, of course, the big news. I have officially opened and launched my new Baltic cake course, which is starting end of May. But the waitlist is open. Now, as if you're new to me and you've never done any of my courses, which is probably rare by now, but I do a waitlist for 2 weeks or like 10 days. And if you get on a waitlist, you literally get the best price for the course. You get the lowest price for the course. You get the first dips on the course. And for those of you who don't know what Baltic cakes are, these are brand new cakes that I have never done before in my channel, anywhere in my courses. These are brand new cakes. Absolutely incredible. You have never tried these, I can guarantee it. A lot of them were inspired by my grandma Babushka, because a lot of them were like sort of, her recipes, but I kind of changed them and made them look a bit more modern and cool. And yeah, this course is going to be basically Eastern European cakes that are post-Soviet Union countries. So all of the classics, some of the classics, and then some of the most amazing cakes that you have never ever tried in your life. Never, trust me on that. And eating my own hair, lovely. See, now it's short, it gets everywhere. So yeah, you have never seen these cakes before for sure, and trust me, you probably never tried them before, and they are so good. Like, you honestly don't wanna not take this course. Like, you're gonna absolutely love it. I'm not comfortable there, I'm just gonna go here, lights in my face. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the link here for the waitlist. It doesn't oblige you to do anything. All you're gonna do, you're gonna get a few emails with regards about the course to explain what cakes we're gonna make, what flavors we're gonna make, what these cakes are, especially if you've never tried Baltic cakes. If you travel to Europe, so these cakes are from like post-Soviet countries and a lot of the cakes are super traditional. So if you ever do travel to Europe, you'll be like, oh my gosh, I've made that cake, it's amazing. So yeah, definitely check it out, get on the wait list. We'll send you more information, and the course is the 20th of May, but I'll tell you more about it. Ask me any questions. Otherwise, I'm gonna get ready. Oh, look, bed is ready. I'm so tired. I'm just gonna show you. We've packed everything. Look at this kitchen. This is just like half of the things. Inga, hey. Inga's like working there. She's been like helping me out, get everything ready. She came last night. Inga is my sister, for those of you who are new on my blog. Yeah, so it's a lot of us tomorrow, but yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Anyway guys, keep you posted. I hope you're doing well. Kisses, bye.